Hey, it's Jen with another Tech Tips 411 quick tip. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to convert a Word document to a Google Doc in your Google Drive so you can easily share out the resource with your students. So let's check it out. So I've created this is just a Word document, typed in some words here. So it's my demo Word doc. I've got this document. This works really well if you're a teacher that has had a number of your documents that you've created in Word docs and now you're living in the Google space and you want to be able to convert it. So what we're going to do here is I've got this document and it's saved and it's called Word Demo Word Doc, and I have saved it on my desktop so I can find it very easily. So save it on your desktop so you can find it, or you can just be sure of where it's located in your computer and you'll be able to upload it. So now I'm going to hop over here to my Google Drive. So I'm in my Google Drive and I'm ready to upload this file. I'm going to click on New and I'm going to say File Upload, Demo Doc. So I'm going to upload that. So notice it uploaded. It still says it's a Word document file, and I'm going to go to Recent so you can see where it is because I just uploaded it. You could directly upload it to a particular folder. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to double click on it, and I'm going to say I want to open with Google Docs. And by doing that, it's going to convert that original file that was in a Word document into a Google Doc format. So now it is a Google Doc, same information, and I can easily use this as a document to share inside of my Google Classroom or share out via Drive with your colleagues. Now notice it still has this .cx up here, so we know that it's came from a Word document, but it's going to function in Google Docs and share it out very easily. So if I wanted to share this assignment, I can go in here to Classwork. So I want to share this document. I'm going to choose to create, and I'm going to make it an assignment. And again, it's going to remember by going to Google Drive the most recent thing that I've opened, and it's going to go to recent. So I'm going to attach this document here, and I'm going to have a couple of options. Do I want students to view the file? Do I want them to be able to edit the file or make a copy for each student? So I want each student to have a copy of this document. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to push it out as I normally would. So we've taken a Word document, we've uploaded it to Google Drive, we've chosen to open it as a Google document so that it will be accessible in our Drive. Hopefully you found this quick tip beneficial. If you did, go ahead and give it a like, and if you haven't already done so, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you are notified when I release future videos. Thanks so much for watching.